Don't you agree that displaying your collection is important? It's fun to share the stories and to let other people enjoy the specimens. Today, we present a quick video on how to make a fossil display from a cheap plastic clock. You can buy a similar clock in IKEA or on a garage sale. We already took this one apart. Now we need to cut out a round piece of cloth. In our case, we found a rectangular piece of black felt in Arts and Crafts department of Walmart. Any dark tissue should work. It needs to have sponge-like properties to absorb the glue. We will use a dry piece of soap to draw the circle around the clear cover. Cut out the piece and glue it to the plastic in the middle of the clock. Since the clock is round, it's important to know where the top is before you arrange and glue the fossils. Play with the fossils until you find the best arrangement and only then glue them in place. Pick them up one by one and apply the glue. The glue is important. PVA or polyvinyl acetate glue, the standard white school glue, is the right choice. It is water soluble, meaning that you can easily wash it off without destroying the specimen when you need to disassemble the display for whatever reason. PVA glue is also quite strong. Just make sure you apply enough volume to hold the weight of the fossil. If done with patience, even relatively heavy pieces will stick. Apply the glue to all surfaces that are in contact with the cloth. By the way, we collected these marine fossils on the hills near Carlin, Nevada, and have a video about that trip. Check it out on our channel. We added the labels later. It looks more professional. It would be nice to add information about the locality or origins of the fossils on the backside of the display. Record keeping is a good practice if you're serious about collecting fossils. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.